Optimus PA laying machines 9 positioning and setting pavers correctly is one of the most labor-intensive parts of a hardscaping project. When installing thousands of paving slabs, utilizing specialized lifting gear proves highly advantageous. PVE Tool Innovators serves as your complete source for Optimus paper handler tools, engineered to reduce the time required for organizing and shifting paving slabs. The Optimus paper leg units can install multiple rows of pavers in just one sweep, sparing you and your team's significant time and labor. The outstanding pairing of the dual-axle swivel steering and the endless rotation grip mechanism guarantees peak performance for the tool, regardless of small or large construction sites. There are no restrictions, whether installing in underground parking structures or retrieving stone rows from pallets stacked up to 2.6 m high. You can now completely eliminate concerns about labor shortages. The PaveJet S19 is a trustworthy operator that rapidly builds a strong reputation and delivers quick returns. Park at 3604. Detached park at 3604. Stabilize, transport, and lock down trailers, campers, boat trailers, and more using this rugged trailer jack utility cart. The 1.5 horsepower engine runs on a 12V battery and offers adjustable high/low speeds or manual rolling when powered off. The 2 inches and 2 5/6 inches hitch balls, plus the 20 inches ball mount extension with a locking bar, manage any load. Featuring large 4 inches tires that smoothly handle grass, gravel, and pavement, this cart offers superior traction, avoids slopes exceeding 6%. Battery and battery compartment are not provided. Maximum load capacity, 5,000 pound tongue weight limit, 900 pound primary color, white. Dimensions, 30 by 19 by 17 in, length X with X height. Weight, 120 pound 2-year manufacturer warranty. Never again will a trailer overpower you. With the park at 360 bs electric jack and cart, you can position and fasten any load you're hauling swiftly, effortlessly, and securely. Plug in safely. Next we have the Solitude plug-in. This is a snow-clearing engine with a distinctive front blade that excels on streets and clears massive snow volumes in one sweep. This unit is dependable and performs at peak efficiency consistently, leading to minimal maintenance expenses and, above all, the lowest total ownership cost. Whether clearing urban avenues, rural lanes, or steep mountain paths, Saltwick Logan AES offers a blade tailored to your needs. The magic of an accompaniment tailor-made in the passion, fine fashion of water dragger today. For farmers who spend excessive time hauling water across fields, this tool provides a practical and rapid solution. It attaches to a tractor just like standard attachments. Then, it harnesses the tractor's engine power to drive its pump. With an additional hose, you can also deliver water over longer distances. All these features combine to form an almost ideal water hauler. Crane. The primary issue with cranes is their inability to relocate swiftly, as the crane sector demands. Thanks to effort, this model can travel vast distances and boast exceptional lifting power, making it a vital purchase. This crane features a proprietary wind-in propulsion system that enables rapid and adaptable operation in the toughest environments. It achieves heights of 60 m with a boom extension of 54 m. The 2655 unquestionably leads its class in capability. It's possible that unwanted weeds may sprout beside crops by absorbing scattered fertilizers and nutrients from the ground. They reduce the valuable crop yield. Weeding involves eliminating specific plants. Farmers couldn't apply weeding techniques to rice crops because they would damage the desired plants. But now, Oric Weedman has resolved this issue. You can navigate rice fields using this GDM Farm tool. GDM Farm is our next destination on the tour. Thousands of miles of plastic mulch are laid down annually. This technique controls soil temperature while blocking weeds and preserving moisture. Once the crop starts growing, the plastic mulch is raised to permit punching through without injuring the plant. GDM Farm developed the Easy Plant Plastic Mulch Hole Puncher. It cuts time and effort by accurately drilling holes in the plastic mulch layer. Magic Dimension. OMC Magic Dimension comes next. Magic Dimension is an advanced harvester equipped with state-of-the-art sensors that assist in gathering baby greens, for instance. Its infrared sensor measures leaf height, helping the farmer assess crop maturity. It's incredibly user-friendly. The sensor aligns and positions the cutting blade at the exact height to harvest at the set length with just a single button press. The sensors track the distance from the row and analyze the collected data while moving back and forth. Its integrated software detects and disregards readings from weeds or uneven spots. Your Pink Innovation is next in line. For years, Pink Innovation has specialized in designing flower cultivation equipment. They introduced a new harvesting unit in 2019 called the Roser. It's a flower picker that uses a large auger or conveyor system to extract blooms. The key advantage of the conveyor system is that flowers no longer get caught on the auger. Another standout trait of this machine is its four-wheel steering. It allows sharp turns at the row ends. Additionally, each wheel features independent hydraulic suspension. It is, without question, the finest flower harvester available. Kirby created Kirby is up next. Kirby's CBD hemp harvesting machine is a tiny, mountable machine. It allows hemp harvest to be harvested at a rate of 1,800 to 2,200 stalks per hour, enough to harvest 5 acres of land in a single day. It quickly loads a follow trailer or vehicle while performing its duties. This feature saves money on labor and allows for quick harvesting. You may harvest any size of animals by altering the height of the conveyor and wagon. Homer. Finally, there's Homer Terra T4. Created by Homer, it is the most advanced harvester you've ever seen. It is outfitted with cutting-edge technologies. While working in the field, the driver can use the built-in GPS to make a smart turn. Its one-of-a-kind lift technology ensures the best harvesting outcomes. The systematic lightweight construction aids soil protection. Its inbuilt slope sensor ensures stability in all settings. And its sophisticated eco-power technology combines the best performance with the least amount of fuel usage. Without a doubt, they elevate the Tattoos T4 to new heights. Thanks for watching this episode of Mighty Machines. If you have any ideas as to what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment, and we'll try to include it for you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us. And with that, we'll see you next time.